Monopoly Go tips and tricks. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see what are the best tips for you if you are starting out this game. So first of all, in this game you would require to build these landmarks in order to complete a certain board. So what we will do is just collect the dice over here, and the more dice you will have, the longer you would be able to play. Once your dice gets over, you would have to wait for the dice to accumulate. Only then you will be able to play this game. So it's better to let the dice accumulate in your account, only then build certain landmarks. Otherwise people will attack you and destroy your landmarks and you will have to do lots of repair work. And since I have not built any landmark over here, no one has attacked on me. You can check, let me open this up and go to the timeline. You can see that people are stealing from me or collecting rent from me, but they are not able to attack me since 4 days. So this is how you will be able to avoid getting attacked by people, and just keep on accumulating dice over here. After you see that a good amount of dice has been accumulated, then increase the multiplier and play. So this way you will increase the rewards and the amount that you will receive. After that, start building your landmarks one by one. And if you have not connected your game to Facebook, then you won't be able to open up this community chest, because in order to open up this community chest you require at least 5 friends. So what you can do is that you can open up friends, and from the suggested friends you can just simply add them up. So this way, after you get 5 friends, you will be able to open up community chest. So I have added some, I will be adding some more in order to open this up. So these were some tips and strategies you can utilize in order to excel in this game. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.